Hey guys, Michael Blomrich at the Lilies here at MDT headquarters in Chilliwack, Canada with Ryan Mclean, the product manager, product developer, product tester?
Yeah, project management and product testing.
So, okay.
Yeah.
So you're the guy that takes everything out, beats it up, makes sure it works good, and then takes that feedback back and integrates with the engineers and make sure everything's working.
Yeah, exactly. So basically my job is I'll go out, do the initial testing, say, okay, yeah, this looks good, like I think we're going to be on the right track. And then obviously we go and we work with a lot with our teammates in the field. So we'll go, that next step is then to go take that product and send it out to you guys and try it and then get the feedback. And I'm in charge of taking that feedback and then putting it forward to the engineers.
So you literally get paid to go shoot.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
I can't complain about it.
So we're here today to talk to you about some of the new products that are coming out in the near-term future from MDT. So the first one we wanted to talk about was the new ACC Elite chassis. We just did a video of this with Josh Botha, one of your teammates. If you're looking for an in-depth review of that chassis, feel free to check out that video. But in summation, did you want to cover the new Elite?
Yeah, we can just run it over real quick. I think we got it right around 20 different upgrades or changes from the original ACC, and biggest ones being like a connector bar in here. We've stiffened up the whole forend, made the NV hoods or ergo hoods we'll also have for these integrated to the top here. With R-lock on here, you know, adjustable mag well, front and back, you know, obviously all the fancy stuff there. We've done a bunch of ergonomical changes just to make it more comfortable to shoot, just better to shoot, inline recoil, all kinds of different things on this. You know, some lasing, extra lasering for adjustments, and just try to make it the best chassis we possibly can.
Yeah, for those of you guys at home, they're not discontinuing the ACC. This will come in at a price point above the ACC. And this is what you would call like your flagship model.
Yeah.
The no expenses spared. This is the pinnacle of what we can achieve with the MDT ACC chassis as it is now.
Yeah.
So my feedback on it is the best way I can describe it is just got a more solid feel. The recoil impulse is definitely transmitted differently. It feels more muted, and the chassis as a whole just feels more solid, less ringy, I guess I would say.
Yeah.
But so we're looking at that coming out in September.
Yeah, September. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So we'll move on. So what can you tell me about this guy here?
So this is actually part of the Oryx line. This is our new field stock. So this is a pretty cool product for us. This is a full polymer stock, interchangeable grips on this, adjustable cheek piece here, move it up and down. And the really cool part about this is it actually has integrated micro chassis in it essentially.
Okay.
So we have a aluminum block that comes in just in front of the recoil lug here, comes down through the grip and then into the buttstock, making for a really solid setup and you know, definitely a secure way to attach your barrel action into this chassis.
Okay.
M-lock on the forend here. It's going to come in a few different colors, I believe. We're working on that right now, and it's AICS mag. So this is a great entry-level product. We're going to have it for a pile of different inlets. You know, your 700s, your Tikas, Mossberg, like a bunch of different stuff.
Ruger Americans.
Yeah. So, and this is going to be pretty economically priced.
Yeah, so I was blown away when I was told the price point on this. Can you guys release the price point on this?
We haven't released it yet, as far as I know.
But it's going to be extremely economical.
Yes.
Okay. So nowhere in the same line as like ACCs or anything like that.
No, definitely not.
So, and basically a good solid first upgrade to a rifle if you're looking to get a polymer chassis with some adjustability, like
exactly.
And detachable bottom metal with a magazine.
Yeah, M-lock also on there, and just, you know, a really stiff, solid setup that's really well made stock.
Okay. All right. And do you guys have a name for this one yet?
That is the field stock.
Okay. The MDT field, or the Oryx field stock. All right. And release date on this?
It'll be in the next couple months.
Okay.
Summertime.
There we go. Summertime. All right. And then what can you tell me about this guy?
So this is the new MDT wood stock. So name is to be determined at this point right now. We're still working through that. So this is a full laminate stock on the forend here and on the back end, and then we actually have a micro chassis in this as well. So this aluminum bedding block runs down through the center here, drops down into the grip and then goes into the buttstock. So with this one as well, you have the interchangeable grips on this. So this is the angled grip on this right now. You can go to vertical as well. It's going to ship with both of those. In the back end, fully adjustable cheek piece, butt pad for vertical and for just length of pull. And then we also have the AICS mag well on here with a bit of a mag stop here too. We have full M-lock on the fore end, M-lock on the rear end. And just all around, it's a pretty cool, solid setup. These things feel great to shoot. Nice dead feeling to them. You know, a little warmer than running aluminum in the summertime.
Absolutely.
Or in the wintertime. And just an all-around great stock. Somebody that wants to get, you know, take their hunting stock and get a little more precision out of it with that aluminum bedding block.
And they're gorgeous. I mean, you've got this one, and I've seen a couple other little product colors. You've got the nice MDT logo in there. And then what price point were you guys looking at for these?
These are going to be in the higher $800 range, I believe, possibly pushing into the $900 range.
Okay, and when do you think these will hit the street?
These will be in June, July.
June, July. So we've got a couple things coming out this summer, and then the new Elite coming out in the fall. It's been really cool to be up here at the headquarters and to kind of see all the product development and testing and seeing how the feedback goes from us as the shooter to the design team and then the engineering team and how they're integrating those changes. You know, from the ACC to the Elite, I think is the best example. Most of these changes came directly from the pro staff and the shooting team.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, we literally took all their feedback, kept a list of it over the years, and have integrated the majority of that into this chassis.
Okay, so we are here at the headquarters. It is a work day, and if you hear some stuff going on behind us, that's guys hard at work here at MDT turning out products. So is there anything else you wanted to talk about or cover?
No, I think we're pretty good that way. We've got some other cool stuff coming down the pipeline like all the time. The ground pod are some new, a new brake as well. It's going to be coming out soon. So yeah, just keep an eye on the website, and there's always stuff coming out. And you know, on our YouTube channel as well, we're always working on different projects.
Awesome. So guys, if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit us up in the comments. More than happy to connect you guys to MDT or answer any questions you have. I'm not going to give away any secrets though, and we can't make products show up faster either. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out there real soon.